5 unit. We have taken this A, what's 4 and P, B, what is this 1 and 0? Then the value of P, we have to find out the value of P. So AB is equal to 5 units. And AB according to this what? Under the root 4 minus 1 whole square plus P minus 0 whole square. This is your first, this is your second. Both are equal. So what we can say? 3 square plus P square under the root is equal to 5. This is 3. Squaring both sides. What we are doing? Squaring both sides. We get, what you get? 9 plus P square is equal to 25. And P square equal to 25 minus 9, how much? 16. So P equal to plus minus 4. But length is always positive. Length is always positive. So what we can say? We can say this is its answer. Is its answer. Yes or no? Got it? This is the answer of this question. Why we have not taken negative? Because length is always positive. Length is always positive. Got?